Hello and welcome to Neha's Cookhouse with Suji bread pizza. You can call bread pizza as desi adaptation of pizza using bread and vegetables of your choice. This simple and tasty snacks recipe is so quick to make that you can have it anytime. So let's start making it. For this you need 4 bread slices, 1/4 cup Suji, 1/4 cup curd, oil for toasting, 2 tablespoons finely chopped tomatoes, 2 tablespoons finely chopped green coriander, 2 tablespoons finely chopped green capsicum, 2 tablespoons finely chopped onions, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, salt according to taste. Now let's start making it. For this take a big bowl, then add Suji, curd, onions, tomatoes, capsicum, chopped green coriander and mix them well. Now they are mixed, so let's add spices to give nice flavor to bread pizza. So start with adding salt, red chili powder, garam masala powder and coriander powder. Now mix them again so spices mixes well with vegetables. Now add some water little by little and mix it properly to make a paste-like mixture. In total, I have used around 1/4 cup of water. Now cover the bowl and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes so that all spices blend well in mixture. After 15 minutes, our mixture is ready. So take a bread slice and apply mixture on top side. I have used 1.5 tablespoon mixture for spreading on bread. Similarly, apply mixture on second bread. Be careful to apply mixture only on breads you are going to cook right away. If you apply it on all breads and don't cook immediately, breads will become soggy and you won't like them. Now heat tawa on medium-high heat. You can check if it's hot enough by sprinkling some water or just by feeling with hand. Our tawa looks hot enough, so spread some oil on tawa. If your tawa is sticky, you can use a simple trick to make it slightly non-sticky. Cut an onion piece and put it in a fork and move on tawa like this. This will make tawa little non-sticky. Now carefully place bread slices on tawa with mixture side to be cooked first and cook on medium-high heat for 1 minute till they become little brown. At the same time, apply some oil on top of the breads. After 1 minute, flip them and cook them till they are toasted well and become crispy. If you find mixture side is not cooked enough, you can again flip them and toast them till they are perfectly cooked. Now our toasts are cooked and ready to taste. Suji bread pizza are looking so yummy and beautiful. Serve them to your guests along with ketchup or green chutney to further enhance the taste. Kids love them, so don't forget to make them and become a star mummy. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And don't miss to check new recipes every Tuesday, Friday, Saturday. Have a healthy eating.